Let's take the part that's written in blue and come on the side of our paper. Now this denominator is 3 minus 1, which we know is 2. Now we've got a complex fraction. I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 2. I did that because of that secondary denominator. That gives you 2 over 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1. So that's going to be 2/5. So let's go back and substitute that in. That's 1 over 3 minus 2/5. 5 now is your secondary denominator. So let's multiply top and bottom by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15 minus, here the 5's cancel and you're left with a 2. So you're left with 5 over 13, and that's your answer B.